Wait. Get out. Joker.
That was a pretty impressive move back there.
No.
I mean, you almost knocked the wind out of me.
I'm sorry, you okay?
Yeah, no problem.
Good boy.
So, Enter the Dragon's playing at the New
Good boy.
At